What's up, money gang? Straight to it. Today we are going to be doing a technical analysis on IQ options. I've been promising that I'll be doing a video. As you can see, I have a VIP account on IQ options because I have deposited amounts more than 100,000 rands and withdrawn amounts more than 100,000 rands. Alright, if you want more info on that, you can ask the support team and they'll tell you how you can be a VIP with those amounts. Quick technical analysis that you'll see right now. We're on the Euro USD currency pair. Remember, this is for those that want to make about 300 rands a day. You can use your practice account. As you can see, practice account for you to start working on trading. You don't need to use your own money. You can practice with a practice account and you can start making money. Alright, so another info I wanted to give you before I give you this technical analysis strategy for 2-minute candles is that from the 1st of March, I will be doing the one trade a day so that you can follow me. I don't know if I'll be doing it live. I want to do it live so that you can place the trade with me and we just do one trade a day and close our accounts, and then the next day do a trade a day. And whether you want to compound it or you just want to do that one trade a day, it will be up to you. But that will be me giving back so that we can have value. Remember, I asked you how much you want to make by the end of the year, so this will be a way of me giving back to you as my followers, right? So what we have here is the Euro USD currency, and we'll be zooming out. We won't be using a lot of crazy things. It's just a simple technical analysis trading method that I'll be teaching you right now. We will be using a tool which is simple line. So in this example, I'll start the line here and then drag it all the way here and then start it here again. Let's use another line. Here's a line, start it here and drag it all the way. Let's see here. This line is not that perfect. Let's see, let's try to make it more perfect. It doesn't have to be that perfect, but you'll see what we're doing here. Let's see another line that we can use here, starting from here all the way until here, and another line. You'll see what I'm doing in a second. Another line here all the way up until there. Okay. So what do these lines mean? These are technical analysis lines that can help you find a pattern within the market. As you can see, you would have to wait for you to see where the trend is going to be moving. As you can see, starting from here, let's start this side. When it started, there was a trend of the market going down. As you can see, every time it hit the line, it would go up, and then if it hits that line, it goes down again, and then it went down until, even if I were to fix this line more perfectly, you'd see what I'm talking about. But every time it would hit that line, there's high chances of it going up. It hits that line, goes down, hits that line, goes up, hits, and so forth. And then what happens when it changes? If I draw another horizontal line here, if I put it here, you can see there was a huge change. So it hit the line here, but it kept on going up more than the last line that it hit here. Let's see, hope you're following here. So now it went up, and it went up over that other line that it hit, and it continued going up. What does that mean? That means there is a break within the trend. So now we will have to start a new trend going up. That's what you look. This is simple technical analysis. So now let's look at the trend going up. Now it's the same thing with this downward one, but it's going up. So it goes up, it touches the line, goes down. You see, as you can see, it didn't touch the line, so even though it went up, I wouldn't have placed the trade until it goes down and it touches the line. Or if it gets too close, maybe this line is a little bit better. If I fix it that way, you can see. Okay, so it goes up, touches the line, goes up, goes down, touches the line again, it goes up. Here it was teasing with the break in trend. Or if I fix it, let's see. Yes, let's see if I make it more straight. Depending on how you do your lines as well, they have to be straight and perfect. Well, not too perfect, but as straight as it can be. So it touches the line again, it goes down, and then it touches the line again, it goes up, touches, goes down. But what happens here? It looks like there's been a break within the trend. So you don't want to trade if it starts doing something like that, because you're not sure on where it is going to go, because now it's starting to have weird things that are happening. So remember, these are all 2-minute candles, meaning that every single line that you see here, it means 2 minutes. So for example, if I zoom in a little bit, this line, it was 2 minutes of it going up, that line 2 minutes of it going up, that line 2 minutes of it going up, and so forth. So what you want to do is wait for it to touch that line, wait 2 more candles at least. If you can see the trends after it touches the line, at least 2 more candles, it will show you if it's going that way or not. So let's say if you waited 2 candles here and then it starts going the different direction, you would, on this one, I don't know if you can see that, let me try to make a line there so you can see what I'm talking about. So it touches the line 1, 2, 3. On that, from there, on this green candle, you would place your trade and set it for 2 minutes. So how do you set it for 2 minutes? You come here and it will give you the different types of minutes here. So this is like your 1 minute trade, 2 minute. You can even do a 3-minute trade, it's fine, because now you're sure it's going to be a while until it touches the other candle on the other side. So you would place that and then it will go up or down within that 2 minutes. You can even set it to 5 minutes if you want, because you can see it's going to be a while until it touches the other line there. So you'd have to wait for the whole pattern. So what I'm going to do when I'm doing those trades in March is that I'm going to research the patterns for you, and then when I see a pattern that's forming where it touches the other line within the technical analysis, I'm going to come do a live video from the 1st of March. I'm going to be compounding the first week, and then on the 2nd week of March we'll just be doing that 300 rands a day. Simple money, just one trade, and then we are done. So that's how this is a simple technical analysis that I'm teaching you right now. But as I'm continuing, I'll be teaching you more and different types of analysis. There's also fundamental analysis, where IQ option gives you some fundamental analysis options here, where it will give you the news and it will tell you what you can avoid, what you can look out for. So don't look at this and be scared. We'll work on this together and I'll help you along the way. What I'm trying to show you is that there are different ways of making money. You don't need to focus on one way. If one way is not working for you, try a different way. If the next way is not working for you, try a different way. So just play around with this. It's not your money. For example, I can put 1,000 rand trade here, 1,000 rand trade for 30 seconds, because I know it's not my money. It's for now, because I'm just playing around with a different type of account. It's not my real account. This is just an account that's been given. As you can see, I'm in profits, but I'll end this video here. Let's get the bag.